Problem number 4 for the homework. This one's going to be using a very slightly different equation. The equation we'll be using for this one is Q, like the overall Q equals the Q1 plus the Q2 divided by 2. So, very simple. And we are given, let's see, we have W, and then we've got A, B, and C. And we know that W starts out with 0, but it ends with charge of plus 24E. A, we don't know. I cannot, ooh, that works. And B says it is negative 32E. We don't know. Can't get it right. And with C, it says it's an initial charge of plus 52. And again, we don't know. But it says that we start by touching sphere W to sphere A. So what we could say is that this is going to be the Q of W and A. And that's just going to equal Q1, which in this case is W, 0, plus an unknown. We can call it QA. And then we just divide it by 2. And because it's 0, this just becomes QA over 2. And now this is the charge for both of them. Moving on, it says that they're separated and QW is now touching sphere B. Now we can do WB. And this is going to be equal to QA over 2, which is what W is right now, plus B, which is going to be negative 32E. And this whole thing is over 2. Now we multiply all of this by 2, which cleans this up pretty good. And now it's just going to be QA minus 64 E all over 4. And then they're separated. And sphere W now finally touches C. So now we write QA minus 64 E all over 4 plus 52E all over 2. And again, to simplify this, we multiply everything by 4, which leaves us with a QA minus 64 plus 52 times 4, which is 208, all over 8. And let's see, and then they're separated. The final charge of QW is 24. So now what we can say is QW equals QA minus 64 plus 208 all over 8 equals 24E. I should say these have E at the end. Now if we do E over 24E over 1, we can cross multiply. And then this becomes QA plus C 208 minus 64, 144 E equals 24 times 8, which is 192 E. Now, if we subtract 144 from each side, QA equals 48E. And that is the answer for this problem.